back to my channel. So today I'm just kind of like doing a quick haul video for you guys. So there is this local store in Greece called Decor. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it well, so I'm gonna put it right here. Yeah, it is just pretty affordable brand, and they have really nice stuff. So I just pick a few pieces from them, and I just thought that I should film it for you guys. Let me know if you guys like it and if you enjoy it. If you enjoy it, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let's get into this, and I will catch you all in my next video. Peace out. Okay, so I just wanted to also say that this video is not sponsored at all. Yeah, all the items are something that I got for myself, so I just wanted to put it out there that it is not sponsored. Okay, so if you guys also, I'm going to put all the details of the stuff that I got from there, and also if you guys want to check this place out, I think that this stuff is really just nice and affordable. So yeah, and I'll catch y'all later. Okay, so the first set, I absolutely love it. I mean, I feel like orange is my new color, my favorite color. So I love it. It's just, comfortable and just pretty. Okay, so this one is just gorgeous. I mean, okay, you have to be careful so that your boobs are not like falling out, but other than that, I love it. It is pretty. Of course, black is my favorite color, so yeah, I had to pick these two pieces. They're so beautiful and just look so gorgeous on me. I love it. So these two-piece brown sets, they're just giving me all kinds of vibes. I love it, and the material also, it is really good and with good texture. I mean, it just covers everything. And of course, I have to choose these green pieces. They're so nice, and y'all know green is the color of money. Yes, so yeah, I absolutely just love this too. Of course, I really love this. Oh my god. And this is just giving me like the summer days when it's so hot, you just pop this on and you're good to go. So let me tell y'all, by far this is my favorite. I love it. The material is so good, it's thick, it's really nice, and I'm not even wearing bra here, and everything is just like perfect. Also got this top from them. However, the jeans are from Zara, if you're wondering, but I love this top. It's really gorgeous. And yeah, this is another top that I really like, and again, the jeans are from Zara. And yeah, so if you like this video and you like the color, you can check them out, and I promise you would never regret it. Bye now.